welcome all of you in my today's speech about Independence Day. Friends, do you know that the freedom struggle started when Mangal Pandey was hanged by a British officer of British rule? Since then, the countrymen of all over India raised their voice against British rule. We and our country have not got this freedom from British so easily. Many freedom fighters made sacrifices to get the country's independence, such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mangal Pandey, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai and Khudiram Bose, etc. To fight the freedom struggle, Mahatma Gandhi started the Satyagraha movement and sometimes he had to go to jail. But he didn't give up because his only goal was to get freedom from the British rule of India, and after suffering a lot of atrocities and struggles, he was successful as a result. Friends, I would like to say a few lines for the freedom fighters. But before that, if you are new in this channel, then kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start. नमन है उन वीरों को जिन्होंने इस देश को बचाया, गुलामी की मजबूत बेड़ियों को अपनी बलिदान के रक्त से पिघलाया और भारत माँ को आजाद है कराया. On 15th August 1947, the history of India was written in golden letters. On this day, when the country became independent, the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hoisted the flag at the Red Fort. Since then, every year the Prime Minister of the country hoists the flag at the Red Fort, sings the national anthem and pays honors to all the martyred freedom fighters with 21 guns. Every year, the Prime Minister of the country addresses the countrymen through his speech and the army performs its power show and parade march. On the day of Independence Day, there is full enthusiasm along with the feelings of patriotism in the minds of all Indians. After independence, India has made a lot of progress till now. All schools, colleges, institutions, markets, offices and factories etc. remain closed on 15th August Independence Day. This day is a government holiday. The flag is hoisted everywhere. Cultural programs are organized in schools, colleges etc. in which all the students participate and sing patriotic songs, some recite poetries and some dance or cultural songs. 15th August is the day of pride and good fortune of India. This festival is the communication of new energy, new hope, enthusiasm and patriotism in our heart. Independence Day reminds us of how many sacrifices we have made to get this freedom, which we have to protect at all costs, even if we have to sacrifice our lives for it. In this way, we celebrate the festival of Independence Day with full enthusiasm, zeal and take a pledge to protect the freedom and prosperity of it. I would just like to say that भूल न जाना भारत माँ के सपूतों का बलिदान, इस दिन के लिए जो हुए थे हंसकर कुर्बान. आजादी की खुशियाँ मनाकर लो शपथ ये की, बनाएंगे देश भारत को और भी महान. जय हिंद, जय भारत.